Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a glow text on CapCut. So here I've already on CapCut and I'm going to just add the text that I want. For example, okay, I'm going to just go with glow text, and then here I'm going to go to I'm going to adjust the size. Okay, and you can also change its font. Okay, I'm going to go with this, click on a check icon, and then export this project. Okay, after that you can just start a new project and open the project that you've saved before. Click on add, and in here go to effects, video effects, and go to basic and find the age glow effect. So this one's right here. Click on that and you can adjust the glow. I'm going to go with 60, and here is your glowing text. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next videos. Thank you.